Okay, dear students, next topic is complex exponents. We define first. We'll define the definition. That is, we define a power b such that a is not equal to 0. Then it is given as a power b is equal to e power b log a. You can change this as in the form. You can say that it is e power log a power b to the e, log e to the base e, log base e to the log e to the base e is nothing but 1. So a power b will get. So what we have defined is a power b is equal to e power b log a for a comma b belongs to c. We define the principal value of a power b as this is the principal value. So they may ask us to find out the principal value of the complex exponents. Means like z power z. They will ask us to find out z power z like that. Complex number to the again exponent. We have the exponents as all the number. A is a complex number, B is also a complex number. So complex number to the power of complex number. How to find those values? With the help of that, with the help of this formula only we can able to find out. Now we'll see one problem. That is, compute I power I. I is a complex number and this I is also complex number. Now how to find this I power I as a value? We'll try to see now. Okay. So I power I. Now solution. How to do this one? Okay. We'll try to find out. I power I. We'll make use of this formula. I power I can be written as e power b log a. This is a. This is again b. So e power I log I. So understand? I have written the formula. According to this formula, I have written like this. Now what you have to find out? You need to find the value of log I. Again you have to substitute in that. So log I. Now I am finding the value of log I with the help of the logarithmic function. Logarithmic function is we have log z is equal to ln of mod z plus I into argument of z plus 2n pi. This is the logarithmic value, not the principal value, logarithmic value. Similar manner I'll write now. I'll just directly write out. So log I is equal to log mod z. So ln of mod I plus I into argument of z. Z is nothing but here I. So I plus 2n pi. Okay. Now this is ln of I. This is anyhow ln of mod I is nothing but 1. So this is ln of 1 plus I into argument of I. I is not I has given. It means only 0 plus I. Means the imaginary part is given, real part is not given. So tan inverse 1 by 0, y by 0, 1 by 0 infinity, tan infinity, pi by 2. So you will be getting as pi by 2 you will get. So you will get as pi by 2 tan 90. Tan 90 is infinity, pi by 2 plus 2n pi. Okay, log 1 is always 0. So you will be getting as I into 4n plus 1 pi by 2. 4n plus 1 pi by 2 you got log I as this. Now in the place of log I you have to substitute this value. So therefore what you will get here is, here you will be getting the value in the form of like this. Okay. Now what is that now? I am substituting this value here. So therefore I power I is equal to e power I into log I value is this. So therefore I write I into 4n plus 1 pi by 2. This is the value which I got from here, log I. So therefore what I get is I'll multiply I. So minus 4n plus 1 pi by 2. Okay, minus 4n plus 1 pi by 2. N belongs to the integers. Now this is how you can calculate the I power I. Okay. Now we'll do one more problem so that you'll understand clearly. Okay. Now we'll try to do one more problem based on this formula. A power b is equal to e power b log a. Okay. Now I'll try to find the value of minus I whole power I. He has given minus I whole power I. Solution. Minus I whole power I. Now we know that a power b is equal to e power b log a. This is the formula. So therefore minus I whole power I is equal to e power. What is b here? B is this I log minus I. Log minus I. A is minus I. So we'll find out now. We'll find out log minus I according to formula. Just now we have written the formula. Log z is equal to ln of mod z plus I into argument of z plus 2n pi. This is the formula where n belongs to the integers. N is nothing but integers. So log minus I. So log ln of mod minus I plus I into argument of z minus I plus 2n pi. So this is what we have. Okay, log. Now log minus I is nothing but again 1. So ln of 1 plus I into. This is minus. So only the imaginary part is given. Means 0 minus I is given. So imaginary part is given. Means I can write tan inverse minus 1 by 0. Means tan inverse tan minus pi by 2. Means minus pi by 2 will get. This is minus pi by 2 plus 2n pi. Okay. So this is anyhow 0 plus this is I into this is 4n minus 1 pi by 2. 4n minus 1 if you take LCM. Now what you got is I into 4n minus 1 pi by 2 you got. This is log. Now again I have to substitute this value in this. If I substitute in that, you will be getting like this. You will be getting in the form of like this. Now I will substitute. So minus I whole power I is equal to e power I into log minus I. This is log minus I value this. So I into 4n minus 1 pi by 2. Okay, 4n minus I by 2. Therefore this is I into I minus. So minus 4n minus 1 pi by 2 where n belongs to the integers. Now this is how you can do the value of any complex complex exponent. I can say complex exponent, complex number, and it is nothing but exponent. Now this is how you can complete the problem in this way. Again we can do many more problems in this manner, and you can go through the many more problems. Like one more problem we'll do. 1 plus I whole power I. They ask us to, this is complex number. Again this is complex number. Now according to formula, we know that a power b is equal to e power b log a. This is the formula. So therefore 1 plus I whole power I is equal to, okay, e power b is this I log 1 plus I. Now we'll try to find out log 1 plus I. So now log 1 plus I is equal to, according to form, ln of mod 1 plus I plus I into argument of 1 plus I plus 2n pi. This is again ln of root 2, because mod x plus iy, root of x square plus y square. So 1 square is 1, 1 square is 1 again. So therefore root 2 I into, this is again tan inverse, this is 145. So this is tan 45, that is pi by 4 plus 2n pi. So this is 1 by 2 log 2 plus I into 8n plus 1 pi by 4. You got this. You substitute this value here. So therefore 1 plus I whole power I is equal to e power I into 1 by 2 log 2 plus I into 8n plus 1 pi by 4. You multiply I inside. If you multiply I into 1 by 2 log 2 minus 8n plus 1 pi by 4. This is the value which you have got. Okay, that's all. This is the value which you have got for this problem. Like you can do many more problems based on this logarithmic function. Thank you. Let us go for another problem. Let us go for another one so that you will understand more. Okay. Other problems in the form of like this. Okay. Now we will try to find out some trigonometric functions. I'll write all the trigonometric functions. Sin z is equal to e power iz minus of minus iz by 2, where z belongs to the complex number. This is sin z. Cos z is equal to e power iz plus e power minus iz by 2i, where z belongs to the complex numbers. Not 2i, that is only 2. Okay. Next, the third one. Tan z is equal to you will be getting as sin z by cos z. So remaining all you will be having the reverse of that, like cot z also you can find out. Cot z is equal to 1 by tan z. Okay, fifth one. Okay, secant z is equal to 1 by cos z. Sixth one, cosecant cot z, or you can say cosecant z is nothing but equal to 1 by sin z. If you know these two, you will be getting all those values. Okay, this is how you can do it. And sin a plus b, here you may have sin a plus b is sin a cos b plus cos a sin b, sin a minus b, sin a cos b minus cos a sin b, cos a plus b, cos a cos b minus sin a sin b, cos a minus b, cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. These are all formulas you have to remember. Okay, so that you can do many more problems. Thank you.